Welcome back, everybody. So we are back at Magic Kingdom in the Emporium today, and we're just shopping with some friends and happened to notice that largely all the Christmas merch is gone. We were here on Christmas Day, so that was 4 days ago, and it is completely cleared out as best we can see. There's a few things I can see that are out there, but what I did want to show you here in a second is all the 2021 merch that has now replaced it. So you can get an idea of what all is out there. So this is pretty new in the parks. Like I said, it wasn't here 4 days ago. So let's take a look what they put out. This is kind of right in the middle of the Emporium, I guess, to give you a sense of where it is. It's this section. I'm not actually sure if it has a formal name. You can still see all the Christmas decor is out and about. But in this little corner where the Christmas stuff was, it has been replaced with 2021 merch. So you got a little fishing hat here. That's what I'd call it. I'm not sure if you all have a different name for it. It's a hoodie. So you can see Mickey on the back, 2021. I guess that's the theme and colors for this seasonal or annual merchandise. It's another kind of long sleeve sweatshirt, but it's really light. This isn't like thick like a sweatshirt. It's much thinner material, but I wouldn't call it like a t-shirt. And you see the 2021 ears up here. That's a 2021 Walt Disney World Mickey. Oops. Like this. So interesting. Very, very bright colors. So they have a little cinch sack bag that's now available. Here's a t-shirt. So kind of baggy looking, but you know, maybe that's just my personal preference. And then you got this kind of tank type t-shirt here. 2021 Walt Disney World. Mickey having a good old time. And then we've got over here to the right another zip-up hoodie on hand. And we got the 2021, yeah. So here on the back, the hat says 2021. It's kind of very bright colors. Not really my thing, but might be your thing, so that's okay. And then you've got, this is a long sleeve t-shirt right there. It's kind of gray with Mickey and Walt Disney World 2021. And then a short sleeve t-shirt. Don't be fooled by this one. This one says 5X. So that's why it looks quite large, but you can kind of see the design on it here. So that's all that's in this corner. I'm going to kind of continue to troll around and see what else I can find. All right, here's the next stash of 2021 stuff. It was actually right behind me. See the Mickey with 2021. Well, that's the cinch sack bag. Here's a towel. Looks like a beach towel. I don't know if I can get a better angle of it or not. Can't really see all of it, but you can kind of see the colors. And bring it over here where it's better light, so you can see kind of what the colors look like there. You got a snow globe, but instead of snow, it's Mickey's. Kind of flash around there, so that's fun. And imagine if I go around to the other side. Yes, here's more. So you got a large kind of Mickey plush here. You can see what he looks like. They're all there. And then you got a Skyliner, 2021 dated Skyliner. I don't know. Seems very benign, not a lot going on, but hey, it's there. And then a 2021 tractor trailer, Peterbilt 387 hauler. So that's an interesting choice for, I guess, 2021 branded merch, but you know, they've got merchandise people that know a heck of a lot more about marketing product to people than I do, so I'm sure there's an audience for it. So then let's keep looking for other merch. And then we've got all sorts of decorative ornaments now on hand. Like this Mickey one here, and they kind of spin on the inside. So they'll look actually largely the same on that side. And then you have a frame ornament, so you can put a picture of someone or something in there. And then down here, we got another Mickey ornament to look at. Oh, and here's another one. There we go. And then another snow globe. Can't actually see what's, let's say, in it, if it's Mickey ears like that other one, or if it's really snow or whatever. But you get the idea. And then we got the big ball ornaments for the Christmas tree 2021 with Mickey kind of laying on them. And then here's another ornament. So you can get close to it and you can see what it looks like there. And then we have a Mickey photo album. So you can put all your photos of your trip from 2020 into the 2020, I guess, if you buy it right now. I think that's all that's over on this section. Oh no, actually I missed a couple of things. So they have some photo frames you can get over here. So you can see 2021 photo frames. And again, it's all this kind of new patterns, things like that. That's alright. Okay, so see another area that's got more 2021 merch. Let's go over there. Okay, most of this section is actually merch that I've already showed you. This license plate holder or cover is the only thing new on this side of this little display. Let's see what else we got. We have like a lanyard. You can do, pen trading or kind of hold things on that. You got that. Oh, and here's a starter set of pens, oddly enough, which is all in the kind of new, decor style of the 2021 merch. And then you got a lanyard pouch, if you want to put something in there. And you got another booster pen set if you want to get more pens. That's where you can find them. And more pens. More. Oh, I like this one. It has Jack on it. And Oogie Boogie. The Kermit one's pretty cool too. Fan of that. Pooh. I actually like those pens. Big fan. And then we got more lanyards. And then magnets. Can you see here? I'm holding that kind of weird. See what magnet. I don't have anything to really stick it to, but fairly sure that's a magnet. Okay, my camera died on me, so I'm not 100% sure if y'all saw this, but this is a pen with, I don't know, it's probably got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 or 12, 15 colors in it. Not bad. And you got a little keychain here as well. And then we got more frames, and oh, this is a different photo album, a little bit more, I'll say, bland than the one I showed y'all earlier. Let's see. And then we got, oh yeah, here's some other merch over here. Let's go over there. Oh, I almost missed this one. So we got a coffee cup here, 2021. You kind of see what's on the sides of it. Again, it's that, I don't know how to describe it. It's almost like Art Deco to me, but I'm sure that's not the right terms at all. Okay, let's see here. Okay, I see some more. Let's go find these. And then if you've got little girls, here's some new 2021 merch. Looks like designed for them. You got it all right in here. Hats. I won't spin. I'll just kind of show you it. And, my girls are too big for all of this now these days, but you can kind of see what all they've got. It's a nice little onesie right there for a younger kid. Maybe a baby. I don't know. There's some smaller ones back there, so yeah, it looks like for babies too. So these are the girls' merch. I'm assuming that means they've got little boy merch somewhere, so let's see if we can find that. Ah, yes. Little boy merch indeed. So we got the hat for little boys, 2021. And a small little t-shirt, pretty similar to the adult t-shirt that I saw earlier. And then this is this is a onesie too. So it's got the little snaps right there. So onesies for boys as well. So let's see, I'll go continue to look around. I think that might be everything for 2021, but let me take a look around and make sure I didn't miss anything. Okay, I guess that based on what I looked at, that looks like all the 2021 merch, at least everything I can find in the Emporium at Magic Kingdom. So like we said, it just hit the park in the last you know, basically 4 days, because that's all, that was all Christmas stuff when we were here on Christmas Day. Hope you found it helpful. If you did, hit that like button, share it with anyone you think might find it useful, and then, you know, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. We put out content like this every week, or at least we try to. And, you know, we'll be back with another video next time. Appreciate it. Thanks. Bye.